Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the day 1 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing Python on system and running your first Python program. Whether you're new to programming or just starting with Python, this tutorial is perfect for you. So, let's get started.
The first step is to go to the official Python website, python.org. Once you're on the website, navigate to the Downloads section. Here, you'll find different Python versions to choose from. Click on Download Python. After clicking the download link, the installer should begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installer file and run it. Once the installation is complete, you can verify if Python is successfully installed by opening the command prompt, or terminal, and typing Python version. This should display the installed Python version. After installing Python in our PC, we need to install Pycharm for programming in Python. Pycharm is a powerful IDE that can enhance your Python development experience by providing tools for coding, debugging, version control, and more. To install Pycharm, open your browser and search for Pycharm. After that, click on Download Pycharm. A new window will appear. After that, click on Download. After clicking the download link, the installer should begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installer file and run it.
It takes some time for installation. After completing installation, click on Finish. Now your setup is completed and you are ready to code your first Python program. In the next tutorial we will write our first Python program. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest programming tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!